Welcome back to AI Profit Labs. Today, we're talking about how Talking Photos 2.0 stacks up against one of the big names in AI-driven content creation, HeyGen. If you're trying to decide between these tools, let's break down the differences and help you find what's best for you. Talking Photos 2.0 versus HeyGen, one-time payment versus subscription. One of the first things that sets Talking Photos apart is the pricing structure. With Talking Photos, you make a one-time payment, and it's yours forever. No monthly fees, no recurring costs. You pay once, and you can create as much content as you like. In contrast, HeyGen follows a subscription model. For those on a budget or looking to avoid ongoing expenses, Talking Photos offers a big advantage. With HeyGen, you're looking at $24 per month for the creator tier, and for teams or higher usage, it's $69 per month per seat for the team plan. Those fees can add up quickly, especially if you're creating content regularly. Video length and flexibility. Talking Photos 2.0 lets you make videos up to 5 minutes long, giving you ample room for storytelling, brand intros, educational videos, and more. It's a big step up from tools that cap video length, and you're not limited to creating short clips unless you want to. HeyGen also supports longer videos, but depending on the subscription tier, you might still run into restrictions on content duration or number of videos per month. Enhanced lip sync for realism. One of the standout features of Talking Photos 2.0 is its advanced lip sync technology. This tool doesn't just match mouth movements, it captures the tone, rhythm, and natural flow of your voice, making your avatars look more realistic and engaging. While HeyGen also offers lip sync capabilities, users have reported that Talking Photos provides a slightly more natural feel in animations, particularly with custom audio uploads. For creators looking to build a personal connection with their audience, this added realism can be a major plus. Mobile-friendly for on-the-go content creation. Talking Photos 2.0 has the added advantage of being mobile-friendly. You can create and edit your avatars directly on your phone, which is perfect for creators who are always on the go. Need to quickly tweak a video or add an audio track? You don't have to be at your computer. HeyGen, on the other hand, is mostly optimized for desktop use, so if mobile flexibility is important, Talking Photos may be the better choice. Instant character and video generation. Talking Photos doesn't make you wait. With instant video and character generation, you get results right away, allowing for fast experimentation and immediate feedback. This is ideal for content creators working on a tight schedule or pushing out daily content. HeyGen, while efficient, often takes a bit longer to process complex animations or larger files, especially on its free or lower tier plans. So, which one is right for you? If you're looking for flexibility without ongoing fees, Talking Photos 2.0 is a great choice. It's especially well suited for creators who want high-quality avatars without committing to a monthly bill. HeyGen, on the other hand, might be a better fit if you're managing a larger team and need collaborative features. Just be ready for that monthly price tag. In short, Talking Photos offers a lot of bang for your buck, especially if you're all about maximizing creativity without getting locked into a subscription. Let us know in the comments which features you're most excited about, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this comparison helpful. Now, let's jump in and explore how to get started with Talking Photos.